morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, I went to my neighbor's garden and I went and picked an orange, and today I'm going to show you the best way to peel an orange in one go. Okay, let's go. Okay. So my neighbor, he has a lot of fruits in his garden, so I don't think he will mind if I borrow one of his oranges. And today I'm going to show you something that no one else is going to show you ever, is how to peel an orange in one peel without stopping. So let's take rid of the leaves. We don't need that one. Get rid of that one. Yeah, so as you can see, our orange has got this one, the bomb. So you don't want to peel it from the bomb. You want to peel it from the top. And that's where people make a mistake. They always peel it from the top and not the bomb. But you want to peel it from the bomb. Okay, let me show you how. So first what you want to do is put your finger and then make a little indentation like this. You see this? See how I made the indentation? Now you want to start peeling it. You want to get a fresh orange. If it's a dry orange, it's not gonna work. You won't be able to peel it in one go. And you see what I am doing? I am making the peel like this. You want to make it kind of circly so you can get it all in one go. And it's a magic trick that I learned in my Ugandan restaurant. You see how I'm keep peeling it? It's all in one go. You just carry on going around, and don't worry if it drops, because I am not stopping. I'm keep on peeling it. You see this? I have not stopped. It's all in the wrist action, and there we go. And this is how you peel an orange in one go, and it is magician. It is like a magic trick. Then you can take off these dirty bits like this, and now the other dirty bits like this, and then you can enjoy the orange and eat it. So that is how you peel an orange in one go. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it was useful. You guys can go and try it out and see if you can peel a pineapple in one go using the same method. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, if you like the video, like the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next video, and as always, believe.